All right, so I'm gonna give you a brief rundown. My front bumper, I actually bought a Vertex style, and then I bought a BNstyle from I can't disclose all that. But I bought one, and the fitment was great on the BNstyle. The Vertex one, it wasn't the best. That one, I'll tell you, it was Duraflex. It's my boy Carl. He molded two bumpers together. Took fiberglass, chopped the OEM one in half, chopped the aftermarket one in half, and then combine the two together so you have one unit. That's basically what I'm gonna end up doing to the rear bumper, because aside from that, this rear bumper has dropped so many times on the highway, driving, all that, falling, all that, and surprisingly it's still intact. So it's all trial and error at this point. So, you know, I never messed around with fiberglass as a whole. I'm down to learn, so we're gonna end up doing that. I'm gonna keep you guys posted, show you guys the whole process. And
it's hard not to state the obvious. No tent when I'm in it, because I know they watching. Once you believe in yourself, then you become a problem. I learned them lessons at the bottom, got the GS chromed out.
What I'm end up doing is filling in the little spots that have a little bit of, you know, imperfections, and grind it down some more and show you guys the finished product. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, like right here. Fill that in a little bit. Right here a little bit. Right there. So basically this is going to be the upper half, and the reason why is so I can have these mounting points, so I can have that mounting point, and, you know, the fitment will be a lot better on the top half of my bumper.
Big static shit, you know what I'm saying? From the left lane, just trying to get it. No, 2 seats, 1 can. Look, drivers only, nigga. Looked at Lexus the size of a boulder. Realized I was chosen. Keep 1942 bottles frozen, cause we knowing that we work hard for this.
Basically, I'm gonna tape that, and that's where the fiberglass is gonna go. And this is how essentially it's gonna look. And this right here is important, because on the one that I had, the aftermarket BNstyle, if you see, fiberglass does not hold well. As you see, we have this bumper molded together with the BNstyle Oem Plus. Yeah, Oem Plus, I like that. But now I just gotta lay that fiberglass down on the inside, let that dry, then bond on the outside. The only thing I don't like about this is the side tabs didn't line up great, but I mean, it is what it is.
This is how we living, rare gentlemen. Red wine at the venue, tipping my hat to pretty bitches, keep it a stack. I might fail, but you know I find my way back to winning. Humble beginning, swimming through pain, but new success was the ending. Bitch, I'm limitless, my vision let me hear. Player of the year, taking school pictures next to my Lexus decisions.
Yeah. We got OEM mountain points. We got good fiberglass laid. Good fiberglass laid. And I put that on there so I can have that even out, so it dries straight, because it was driving a little crooked. Drying a little crooked. So yeah. I mean, I'm not a body guy, I'm just a do-it-yourself guy. This right here, I'm not worried about that. Like I said, I got the fiberglass on the backside, and now I'm gonna put an even coat. So yeah, there it go. Still got some body work to do, but mainly I was just trying to mold the top part. So we got one full bumper. Gonna do some more sanding, but this will do for right now. Final product, this is what I was talking about. So if you go on my page, my Instagram, you'll see that right there. Don't worry about that. I gotta get a bracket. I got the other bracket inside. I lost the OEM one, so I gotta go to a junkyard and get another one. But it just looked terrible. You know, I didn't like looking at my car. I didn't even like, you know, washing my car much. But now with the gap starting to come together, I still got to work on my side skirts, still got to work on my front bumper a little bit more. But with everything starting to come together, starting to, you know, make me want to wrap the car. You know, I'm starting to see the end goal now. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. Just wanted y'all, got the new hood on. Still got to get the new centerpiece so it can line up better. But just wanted y'all to see the update of the GS. It looks so much better from the rear. Look at that.